Did you know the Eat Well plate can be used to build a healthy breakfast?
An animated plate appears spinning on screen and transforms into the Eat Well plate, which is a circle, the left of which represents vegetables and fruits. The top right quarter of the plate represents whole grain foods. The bottom right quarter section of the plate represents protein foods. Text on screen, vegetables and fruits, whole grain foods, protein foods. Text on screen, Eat Well plate. Text on screen, healthy breakfasts.
It's all about being creative.
The Eat Well plate moves up to the left-hand corner of the screen and a frying pan on a stove appears.
Okay, let's start with an omelet.
A white circle appears in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Different food items appear in it, then move over to the frying pan. Eggs, tomatoes, green pepper, onions. A pepper shaker sprinkles pepper over the mix in the pan.
Almost there. Make half your plate vegetables and fruits.
The omelet is flipped out of the pan onto a plate. Half a toasted whole grain bagel and a fresh fruit salad are on the plate as well.
Delicious. Okay, that's one breakfast. Let's make another.
A steaming bowl of oatmeal appears.
How about some oatmeal? Yum. Eat Well plate in a bowl. Nicely done.
A white circle appears in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Different food items appear in it, then move over into the bowl of oatmeal. Apple, banana, blueberries, and almonds. A shaker puts some cinnamon over the bowl.
Use the Eat Well plate to build a simple breakfast.
A plate with a slice of whole grain toast on it appears.
This is going to be good. Well done.
A jar of peanut butter appears beside the plate and is spread on the toast. Some apple slices appear on the plate, and a glass of milk drops down beside the plate.
A great breakfast begins with the Eat Well plate.
The screen changes to the Eat Well plate. Text on screen, vegetables and fruits, whole grain foods, protein foods. Text on screen, Eat Well plate, healthy breakfasts.
Enjoy.
Text on screen, canada.ca/food guide. A message from the Government of Canada.